Hi, I am Kenneth Duran, and welcome to my channel, Duran Unfiltered. Today's topic is vehicles, and especially they are called ICE, internal combustion engines, as we know them as gasoline and diesel. Why I bring this up today is because it's also very important to know that we have a lot of cars that already been produced in this area. And many of these cars have a lot of years in them still. So it's a waste of resources just to ban them and just to throw away. That's not good. Neither for the economy, for the car manufacturers, not from the economy within our environment, and to us also, people, So I think it's very important that we have all these resources with already produced cars should not go to waste. And there's a new technology also within this area about the gasoline and diesel being called eFuel. And it can replace these, I mentioned just before, types of fuel. And the emissions are about zero, like you can know from the BEVs. The battery electric vehicles. So I think it's finished to gasoline. I think they're finished with that within about 2 years, I think. So let them come and use our resources we already have. That is what I think we should do. And I hope also that the government can realize and be more common sense and say, yeah, it's not that. It's okay. We understand what you say. And it should be waiting for the eFuel to come also. And not raising your fingers all the time. Okay? Take care. And be wise. Think twice.